The thunderstorm is one of nature's most powerful weapons, without a doubt. Armed with lightning bolts, hail, flash floods, and tornadoes, the thunderstorm has the potential to inflict insane damage on human property, so much so that it is referred to as an act of God in legal terms. Understanding the physics behind these storms is the first step towards predicting and hopefully one day preventing them. So, how do thunderstorms start? Some people will put it this way. There are three main ingredients: moisture, instability, and a lifting mechanism. Let's say we have a parcel of air named Donald. This big parcel of air is packed with a lot of moisture. This moisture can come from any body of water like an ocean or a lake. It's pretty obvious why Donald needs to be moist in order to become a storm. The rain needs to come from something, right? But Donald is not a storm yet. Donald is just a moist parcel of air. Donald is also unstable. In a meteorological sense, this means that he will go up uncontrollably when pushed by something. Why? Because Donald is warmer than his surroundings, and therefore less dense than his surroundings. When pushed up, he will continue to go up because he is not weighed down. Notice how I didn't say what he's being pushed by. That's the last ingredient. The method of pushing Don to the heavens can vary. Don may run into a mountain and become an orographic thunderstorm. Don may run into a denser cold air mass and similarly be pushed upwards as a frontal thunderstorm. Don might get warmed by the sun, become even less dense, and rise to start an air mass thunderstorm. The point is, Don can get high in a lot of different ways. So what happens when Don gets high? Well, if Don is big enough, he can create a big convection current. If you don't know what convection currents are, think of boiling water. The hot stuff rises to the top, cools, and spreads out and falls back in a cyclical motion. When warm, moist air is at the center of a convection current and rises, the moisture will condense to form clouds. Enough constant condensation and additions to these clouds creates a large anvil-shaped cumulonimbus cloud. Once the cloud gets big enough, it will shed its water as precipitation, usually rain, and may even create lightning with the friction and electrical charges within the cloud. Static electricity may go between the clouds or from the cloud to the ground and create lightning. Anyway, if Don is really big, like a huge air mass with a lot of moisture, he's just dumb thick, he can make a really nasty type of thunderstorm known as a supercell. Supercells have very powerful wind systems supporting them, characterized mainly by a large tilted rotating updraft and equally powerful downdrafts that cause hail by bouncing water up and down rapidly. Supercells can be as long as 10 miles in diameter and up to 50,000 feet tall, and cause tornadoes with their drafts, which can reach 90 miles per hour. Don can get pretty dangerous, as can every parcel of air around you if they manage to get moist, unstable, and high. I would say that applies to humans as well, but that's besides the point. Watch out, keep safe, stay in school, especially if a thunderstorm is coming your way. Thanks for watching.